Good morning students. We are doing chapter 8 basic geometrical concepts. So let's talk about first plane. So what do you mean by the plane? Plane is the flat surface which extend endlessly in all direction. The tabletop, blackboard surface, okay, are some of the example of planes. All these have flat surfaces. Suppose I am using the duster here. This is having the flat surface. You can see here, this is the again flat surface, and I'm using the marker here and the pencil here. Okay. These are having the curved surface. So we can take the example of ball, oranges, globe, pencil, etc. They are having the curved surface. Okay. So properties of the point and a line. Properties of point and a line. What are the properties of point and a line? Suppose we are having 2 points. These are point P and Q. Join this. If 2 points are given, so we can draw only one line. Okay. But if 1 point is given, so how many lines we can pass? We can pass number of lines through it. This is the 1 point. So we can pass many lines through this point. So these are the two properties of point and a line. Property 1. An unlimited number of lines can be drawn passing through the given point in a plane. Okay? This is one property and this is again second property. One and only one line can be drawn passing through the given points in a plane. If we are having the two fixed points, so you can draw the only one line. This line lies completely in the plane. Okay. After that, we will study collinear points. Collinear points. Collinear point. So collinear points are those 3 or more points in a plane which lies on a same line are called collinear points. You can see in the diagram. In diagram A, yes, ये देखो A, B, C, they lies in the same line. Look at the second figure. A passes to B, then B passes to C. Again in C figure, AB, then BC, then CD, then D, A. Again in figure D, AB, BC, CD, and D, E. First you complete the diagram, then find out. So in diagram A and C, you can see here, all points lies in the same line. सीधे एक लाइन में लाइन कर रहे हैं. That's why these diagram A and C, these are said to be your collinear points. B and D, these are not said to be collinear. These are non-collinear points. Okay, because in B and D, they are not lying. These all points, they are not lying in the same line. Collinear clear? कि अगर सेम लाइन में लाई कर रहे हैं तो आपके collinear point है. अगर सेम लाइन में नहीं लाई कर रहे हैं, these are non-collinear points. After that, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines क्या है आपकी? एक लाइन ये है, एक इसको क्या कर रही है? कट कर रही है, intersect कर रही है. तो ये आपकी कौन सी लाइन हो जाएंगी? Intersecting lines. If one line cut the other, it is said to be your intersecting lines. So two lines in a plane which cut each other at one point are called intersecting line. और ये point जहाँ पर ये intersect करते हैं, that is called the point of intersection. After that, parallel line. Parallel lines. Yes. So two lines are said to be parallel when they do not meet anywhere is called parallel line. Suppose one line is this, second line is this. So A is parallel to B. तो ये कहीं पर भी किस भी पॉइंट के नहीं मिलते, पैरेलल चलते रहते हैं. तो these are said to be your parallel lines. After that we are having concurrent lines. So what do you mean by the concurrent lines? Three or more lines in a plane which passes through the same point are said to be your concurrent lines. Means बहुत सारी lines and they are passing through the same point. And this point, जिस point पे ये मिलती हैं, that point is said to be your point of concurrence. Okay? So three or more lines in a plane which pass through the same point are called concurrent lines. And the point through which these lines pass is said to be point of concurrence. Sheet 1. Mark a point in your notebook and draw a line passing through it. क्या करना है, नोटबुक में आपने एक पॉइंट मार्क करना है और उससे लाइंस को क्या करना है, पास करना है. How many lines can you draw passing through this point? So the answer is many. You can draw many lines passing through the same point. Second, mark any 2 points in your notebook and draw a line passing through both the points. Suppose this is the A point, this is the B point. You have to mark like this and join it. How many such lines can you draw passing through these 2 given points? So how many lines you can draw? You can draw only 1 line. Clear? After that, question number 3 is classify the following pairs of line as parallel or intersecting lines. तो पैरेलल मैंने आपको भी बताया कि जो कहीं पर भी किसी भी पॉइंट पर जाकर मिलते नहीं है, those are said to be your parallel lines, और intersecting जो आपस में कट करती हैं, that is said to be your intersecting lines. So you can give the answer in 1 minute. ये first A intersect कर रही हैं 2 lines. So what are these? These are intersecting lines. Second, they are moving parallel. These are parallel lines. Similarly with C, C भी आपकी क्या है, parallel lines. This is the also symbol for the representation of parallel. This side for parallel. Okay. In D part, this one is your intersecting line. Okay. What about this? E. This is again your parallel lines. After that, F part, you can see, ये देखो एक line है, but this line can be extended to this corner also. So you can see here, this one is your intersecting line. ठीक है, तो फिगर क्लियर है. A is your intersecting, B parallel, C is again parallel, D is intersecting, E is parallel, and F is your intersecting line. So F part थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, इसको क्लियर कर लेना. Okay, because ये लाइन है and it can be extend to both sides. That's why एक पॉइंट पे टच करेगी, ये आपको इंटरसेक्ट करेगी. That's why it is your intersecting line. Now you can see here question number 4. Fill in the blanks. An orange has curved surface. ठीक है, an orange has curved surface. A 100 rupees note has कौन सा surface होगा? Flat surface. Dashed lines can pass through one given point in a plane. तो एक पॉइंट से आपकी many line पास कर सकती है. तो many lines can pass through one given point in a plane. D part, 3 or more points in a plane which lies on a same line are called collinear points. ठीक है. After that, lines in a plane which do not meet anywhere are called parallel lines. okay, which do not meet anywhere are said to be your parallel lines. F. Two lines which cut each other at a point are called intersecting line. So this is all about today. Thank you and have a nice day.